This is the Neakasa M1 litter box. It's robotic. This thing's awesome. It's completely changed how we deal with cat litter in our house. See, when we first got a cat, I'm not a huge cat person. I like them. I don't hate them, obviously, because we have one. But it's my wife's cat, and the deal was that she's got to be the one to empty the litter box. Of course, there's going to be occasions where she can't empty the litter box for some reason. So emptying the litter box then falls to me. And I hate emptying the litter box. But I do it because I love my wife. This has completely changed that. I don't mind emptying the litter box now. The cat comes in here, does her business. The machine waits about 5 minutes. It does its thing where it sifts out the clumped litter and then it drops it into this little waste bin down here for me, and it already has a trash bag in there. When it comes time to empty the litter box, I just come, pull the drawstring, take the bag out, throw it in the trash, put a new bag in, and close the tray up. All done, no scraping, no rinsing out. It's really super nice. Comes with a really big litter mat, and then for a cat that might not want to jump, because this does have about 1.5 foot ledge to jump up to, they do have a pedestal that's graded that so when the cat steps out, it will catch the litter that's on the cat's feet to help that keep from spreading out through your house. Let's talk about the box a little bit more. It has 5 infrared sensors and 4 weight sensors. It has a weight sensor in each one of the feet to tell when a cat has entered the box. That way it doesn't do anything while the cat's in the box. The other nice thing about those weight sensors is it does weigh your cat every time it enters the box. We only have one cat, but this thing is supposed to be able to tell each cat by the weight of the cat, and it will track each cat individually for you. It will track their potty time, so I can go in my app and see when my cat has used the bathroom. And of course that will help if you have an elderly cat or a kitten or a sick cat and you're trying to monitor their health. You do need to know how many times they're going to the bathroom and how often. That will help you with that because this automatically tracks that for you. In the app, you have all the different settings of how much time in between the cat going to the bathroom and then this doing its thing to clean out that clumped litter. You can tell it to clean itself. You can tell it to empty the litter out. You can also do that from the buttons on the front. This is the clean button. This will level the litter off. This will empty the litter out, and of course your Wi-Fi button. And it does automatically level the litter every time that the cat gets out. So it's a nice, smooth, clean litter. I can't say enough about it. It's completely changed how I think about dealing with a cat litter box.